Next section is sign of the products. The number of negative integer is odd, the product is negative. The number of negative integer is even, the product is positive. Example, state the sign. Question is minus 3 into 4 into 3 into minus 1 into minus 1. Solution. The number of negative integer is 1, 2, 3, or the product is negative. Next, second, minus 3 into minus 4 into 3 into minus 1 into minus 1. Here the number of negative value is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is even. The number of negative integer is 4. That's even. The product is positive. Next, exercise 1, fourth question. State the sign of the products without actually multiplying. You just find the sign of this product. Solution. Here the number of negative integer is 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of negative integer is 4. 4 is even number. The product is positive. That's the answer. Next, homework sums. First question, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 1 into 9. Second question, 8 into 5 into minus 3 into minus 2. Third question, 6 into 4 into 2 into minus 3. Next, fifth question, state the sign of the product. First question is 18 negative integers into 3 positive integers. Solution. 18 negative integer. Here 18 is even number, so the product is positive. 3 positive integer is also positive only. Okay, positive into positive, the product will get positive. Next, homework sums. First question is A into B into C into minus D into minus E into minus F. Second question, 28 positive integers into 14 negative integers. Next, sixth question, fill in the empty boxes with greater than, less than or equal to sign. First question, 6 plus 3 into 11. Right hand side, bracket of 6 plus 3 into 11. First, left hand side, 6 plus 3 into 11. Using the BD-MOS method, first priority goes to multiplication. 6 plus 3 into 11, 33. Here the answer is 39. Next, RHS. Right hand side, bracket of 6 plus 3 into 11. Here the first priority goes to brackets. So 6 plus 3, 9 into 11. 9 into 11 is 99. So the LHS less than RHS. The answer is less than. Next homework sum, sixth question. Fill in the empty boxes with greater than, less than or equal to sign. First question, 6 minus 3 into 11. Right hand side, bracket of 6 minus 3 into 11. Second question, minus 6 into minus 5 minus 2. Right hand side, minus 6 into bracket of minus 5 minus 2. Third question, 7 into minus 3. Right hand side, minus 3 into 7. Next homework sum, seventh question. Match the following. A, B. First question, 6 into 7 plus of minus 3. B value A is minus 39. Second question, bracket of 6 plus 7 plus of minus 3. B value is 39. Third question, 6 into 7 plus of minus 3. C value is 10. Fourth question, bracket of 6 plus 7 into minus 3. D value 24. Find the values. Eighth question, find the value of first question, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Solution, the number of negative integer is, the number of negative integer is 1, 2, 3. 3 is the odd number. The product is negative. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4 into minus 2. Here positive, this is negative. Positive into negative, negative. 4 2s are 8. Negative 8 is the answer. Homework sum, 8th question. Find the value of first one is minus 2 into 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 minus 2. Second question, minus 6 into 2 plus 6 into minus 2. Third question, 0 into minus 8 into minus 4 into 3 into minus 4. Ninth question, by what number will you multiply 20 to get minus 100? Solution, 20, what number you multiply will get minus 100. 20 into, using the variable a, is equal to minus 100. A is equal to, in left hand side 20 is multiplied with a, going to the right hand side it will be divide. Minus 100 divided by 20, 0 0 cancel, 1 times, this is 5 times. A is equal to minus 5. Homework sums, 9th question, by what number will you multiply? First question is minus 60 to get 300. Second question, minus 55 to get minus 110. Third question, minus 85 to get 0.